Your compost sucks. It's cold, it smells, it's just sitting there doing nothing. You're wasting time and scraps because you're doing one thing wrong. You're not turning it right. Let's fix that in 3 minutes. No fluff. Most people treat compost like soup. They simply stir it every single day, which is completely wrong. You're killing the heat and you're slowing it down. Other people, they simply never touch it, which is also wrong. That pile is starving for air and the microbes are dying off. But the fix is simply to turn it every 1 to 2 weeks, let it heat up, then flip it to get the oxygen back in there, and that's it. Perhaps your compost smells like garbage. There may be too many greens. If it's dry and dead, there may be too many browns. But turning isn't just mixing, it's balancing. You're redistributing the food scraps, leaves, cardboard, grass. But if there's no balance, there's no further breakdown. Is your pile warm in the middle? If not, it's not working. Stick your hand in. If it's warm, good. Cold, time to turn. Moisture check, you should feel it like a wrung out sponge. If it's too wet, add browns and turn. Too dry, mist it as you turn, not just on the top. Pro tip here, guys, sometimes turn when it's raining out. You get that moisture at no charge. All right, so guys, here's a cheat sheet. Smells bad, add browns and turn. Flies, bury the scraps deeper and turn. If it's dry, water and turn. Almost every compost problem solved with a turn. If your compost isn't working, it's costing you time and results. Start turning it right every 10 days, no guessing. If you want my compost checklist, grab the link in the description, like, subscribe, and let's make that pile cook.